What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson with an update on FastBNB. The clock is moving, things are flowing, things are going together. It's still going to be using the same FastBNB site. So I'm going to show you right now what has been done so far so everybody can know what's going on. If you haven't migrated yet, you need to migrate right now. Like, pause this video, go back and migrate right now. Do it on a computer. I mean, you can do it on a phone. They got the Android. I don't know why y'all keep using these little small phones to be doing money work. It's too small for me. I don't know. That's what y'all do. That's what you do. I like to do it on like a 32-inch screen right here. That's what I do my money work on because I can see it all. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to use my laptop while I was on vacation and mess around and sent my money to the wrong wallet. It's still my wallet. I just didn't want to send it to that wallet. But still I didn't lose it. So that's good. But what I'm saying is I sent something somewhere I didn't mean to send it to, thinking I was sending it to somewhere else because I was on that little laptop or, a little 12, 13-inch. I don't know what it is. I don't even have it in here. But hey, regardless, that don't matter. Hey, so what we got to do is when you come in, you just put your fastbnb.io. Just like everybody, get this little sign. Assets or withdrawals. Okay, it should be able to their assets and withdrawals shall be again in the next 24 hours. I don't know when this was put up. Like I said, we just came off a business trip and a vacation. So, we got something coming out, man. I'm trying to tell you something totally different. So stay tuned to the channel. If you're ready, you're ready. Let me know you're ready. We want to build this thing to the moon. Just let me know. It's nothing to do with this. That's why I'm mentioning it. It has nothing to do with BNB. That's why I mention it now. So just stay tuned to the channel for the new thing, and you'll see it when we're ready to roll it out. All right. So in 24 hours, then yes, staking is enabled and users can start referring. Also, we urge remaining users to migrate as soon as possible. That's what we're waiting on. If everybody just migrate, everybody want to ask questions, everybody want to know if it's coming back. But when it's time to migrate, nobody wants to migrate. Come on now, people. There's 195,000 people in this. Come on now. We got to get busy. Put your money where your mouth is. So that means stop talking, start typing. All right. So you click dashboard. This is what you see now. Remember, the 3% a day is going. So all we have now is the 1.25, which is good and sustainable. It's excellent. 1.25 a day. That's excellent. That's like still 30. No, it's not even 30. That's shoot, I didn't even do the math on it. Let's see. Let's do this. No, I need that. Let's do the math. So 37.5% per month. Man, that's killing the game. I don't know why you don't need no more than that. 37.5% per month. That is killing the game. You don't need no more than that because that's going to be daily. So what you do is you come up here. I know I got to have it up here. Man, I'm slipping. All right, hold on one second, people. Got to go get. Oh, you know what? That's right. I didn't put it on here yet. It's not the new computer. Oh, there we go. At least pulled it up. Oh no, you know what? I think I got it on one of my. I'll figure it out. Anyway, there it is. So if you start with 1,000, in BNB, and you're making 1.25 a day. And let's just do it for 1 year. Now the compounding part, if it's doing 1.25 a day, right? It's 0.1 BNB for you to get in. So it's like $40. Let me see something real quick. Let's do this math. Because you might be able to compound every day. Times. Huh? Oh yeah, that's right. 1% of 1,000 is $10. Okay. No, you're not gonna be able to compound every day. Let's just do weekly, just to give it a number, because you can't do every 3 days. Or we could just put more money in it. 0.1 BNB is about, let's see, go to BNB. All right, BNB, 384. So $38.50. All right. So $30.50. That's how much the BNB is. So you would need all right, let's say 3,000. $40. Okay. So in order for you to do it every day, if you wanted to compound every day, you would need to have $3,200 in there, working for you. Now you can compound every day that way. And then if you want to play with this calculator and you want to put compounding daily, which is going to be a crazy number. So we'll just leave weekly and just go there. Just go with 1,000 and go with weekly. $79,000 that you can do in 1 year with $1,000. And that's just compounding weekly. Obviously, you're going to be compounding every 3 days. $12, yeah, 36. Yeah, every 3 days you're going to be compounding. Wow, is this price. So once it goes up past 400, then you'll need an extra day. But you're pretty much compounding twice a week regardless, because it'll be like 3.5 days, and then you'll compound. So it's really twice a week instead of weekly, but all we can do is weekly. So it's still going to be a little bit, probably a lot more than this, because if you had we can't do it daily because it's going to mess the math up because you're not making enough. But this is what you would have: 79,307 days. 79. If you just keep compounding, that's how much is going to be up in there. Just compound, because you start new and new contracts. And then, every 3 months, contracts are going to fall off. But this is what you're kind of looking at when you're doing your money and flipping it like that. But remember, as you get more money, you're going to be compounding more money. So it's going to even grow. This is kind of showing you how it's going to kind of grow. So at least up into day 90, you sitting here, and then your first contract will fall off. But all the contracts you started after that is going to keep on growing. They're going to keep on growing. So it really got to have some type of a 90-day calculator. But this is just something you can use a little bit to play with, because you got to have them where they fall off and then they keep on going. You're going to really probably make up one yourself. I think, no, that was too long. Can't use like hyperverses or anything like that, because that one is way too long. It's 600 days versus 90 days. So that'd be too much. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so we come back here. We see that's up. That's awesome. Nothing to play with. That's good. I mean, I'm not even, 3% was good, but if it wasn't going to last, better do it this way. I'd rather have 1.25% a day than 3% for a week, and then it's gone. You know what I'm saying? Then it's gone. So far, since it started back up, I acquired 3.5 BNB. Your old contracts will continue all the way until they're over. So I got about 10 BNB in old contracts. I forgot what day it is when it started this. I think we started this. I started in January 20th. So we are 1 month, 45 days, 45 days in? 30. Yeah, we can say we're about 45 days. No, it gotta be more than that. January, February. Shoot, it is less than 45 days. Yeah, so we're about 45 days in. And you see we built a nice, beautiful size team. We got 154 just on the front line, and then everything else. This is what's going to be restaked. So obviously they weren't going to pay that out, because they did. They were flatline the thing, and everybody got what they was owed. when it went down. So MAT 21 BNB is going to get restaked, which is not working right now. So we got 24 hours for all that goes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click restake that 21 BNB. Let's just do some math so we can know what we're talking about. 385.90. Depending, it's probably not gonna be 385.90, but just for the purposes of this video, you can see where I would be at. 385.90 times 21. So we'll bring back the handy dandy calculator. 385.0 times 21.82. So $8,420 is going to go straight into that 1.25 a day. So that times 0.01125 is already going to be $105 a day. Just restarting, $105 a day. So that's like an easy $3,000 on a monthly basis. Of course, you got to restake every once in a while. I think I got some contracts that's going to be there for a little while. We're going to keep flipping and reinvesting. Then also I got this 3.5 that I can go ahead and throw back in there also, which looks sitting at 1378. So we do 97, 78. Let's just say 97, 98. We do 9,800 times 0.0125 is $122 a day. And we'll just be pulling it out times 30. That's a nice check. 3,675 per month. And then of course, you can take it out for 30 days. I say stake for 30 days. I really didn't do the math yet to figure out how to keep it running. I think you got to stake more days than you actually pull out. So if it's a 90-day period, I would say pull out 30 days, stake 60 days. That probably keep you running real good. But see, I'm just talking about off of my money. So I didn't even go back into the seed money and all the other stuff that's still going to be, coming into play. So it's still going to be great. It's going to be beautiful, people. No complaints here. I can't wait till a full straight day so I can tell you what we're going to be making now. Because obviously 10%, 9%, 8%, all the way down in the seed money is going to be a little less because it's now coming off of the 1.25 and not coming off of 3% being made. It's going to be 1.25. It's not going to be that much. And it's like I'm telling you, it's like free money. It's printing BNB. So I don't know what to tell you. So what we're doing right now, as soon as we get restarted, we'll let you know. So you could be ready to roll, can be ready to flow, can be ready to go. And as soon as we be ready to roll, this money's going to go in there. I'm already going to have my 1.25 starting for 240 days. People, it's not 90 days. Only thing I got running for 90 days. Okay, my bad. 240 days. Okay. My old contracts are going to run for the remainder of the 90 days that they're left. And they're going to run out. But all my new contracts are now 240%. So you probably can take out 100 days and restake 140 days. So what you probably would do is do like 2 weeks, 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off. Something where you do the math and you break down the 240 to find out what you're working with. So as they say, okay, let's do this. 240 divided by 7 weeks. All right, so 34 weeks to play with within 240. So really out of those weeks, you want to, I would say, you could take out 14 weeks and restake 20 weeks. That'll keep you rolling. That'll keep your money fat regardless of what everybody else is doing. But then everybody else is doing what they're doing. So it's actually going to be more money. So you're still going to be doing good regardless of whichever way you're looking at. So, hey, this is your boy Terrence Gibson. This is where we're at in FastBNB. We're just waiting for the gun to go off. We already standing at the start line, just ready to rock. We already down in position, down on the ground, 2 hands on the ground, feet on the little pinnacle rubber. We ready to go. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So, hey, like, subscribe, rock that bell. When it gets rolling again, hey, if you're not already in here, you need to come on and get in, because people said it wasn't coming back, and we don't see nothing but it coming back. So that shows you already what you're into. Then they're complete. They're March 17th is when the Flamingo exchange is starting. I mean, come on, people. There's nothing but good times ahead over here in FastBNB. All right, like, subscribe, rock that bell. Love you. Join the team when you're ready. Do your homework. God bless. God bless. God bless. God bless. God bless.